Alrighty, so we're gonna show you guys, okay, the materials you're gonna be using in the practice on renewable energies, okay? So the first step is going to be to get water into the electrolyzer, okay? This electrolyzer, you can take it off if you like. It has two hoses, okay? The hoses must have the little plugs with the same color as the circle, okay? So how do we get water inside, okay? The first thing is gonna get some water in the syringe, okay, from the distilled water can, okay? So you will fill it up with water, okay? And you're gonna connect this hose into this opening in the upper side, okay? If you notice, there is a black with a little black circle, and on the top opening is where you will place the water. Now, you're gonna remove this, okay? Remove the little plug, and you're gonna push water in until you see water coming out. Once you see water coming out, okay, you will put this little cap back on and remove the hose. The same thing is gonna be done with the other side. You're gonna get some water in, you're gonna put the syringe, remove the plug, okay, fill with water, okay, until you see some drops coming out, and then you will put the plug back in, okay, and remove this. Okay, once that's set up, okay, you place it back in the base and get ready for the next part. So the next part, guys, has a base, okay, with cylinders. So what these cylinders are gonna be, they are gonna be holding on, okay, to the products. So we have hydrogen and oxygen. So you're gonna place the hydrogen one, okay, make sure these two tabs fit before you push, okay, like this. All right, then you're gonna put the little belt in, making sure it fits very well, okay, like that, okay? The same is gonna be done with oxygen, okay? So you're going to set it down and you're gonna fill up with water, okay, until the 0 mark. So we're gonna place some water in there, okay, until the 0 mark, okay? Then you have a hose, okay, which is the long hose that has a clip. This clip is very important. You're gonna have it open for this part. So you're gonna place it in the space for the hydrogen, okay? And then you have another hose, which is going to be for oxygen, okay? This one does not have a clip. Now, the end with the hydrogen, if you notice here, it's black. You're going to find the black side and the electrolyzer, okay? And you're going to connect it like this, okay? Then you find the oxygen, okay, with the oxygen side, and in the electrolyzer, you're going to also connect it, okay? So if you notice here, you have this and it should be open, okay? Now, the next step is to connect the power. The power is going to be given by the solar panel. So you're gonna take the red cable or the red electrode and you are going to connect it to the, of course, the red side. Then you take the black electrode and you're gonna connect it to the black side, okay? The next step is to get our light, okay? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna set it down for about 15 minutes, okay? So while you leave it there, okay, the clip should be open and the light should be on. So 15 minutes, it's gonna stay like that, and that's gonna be experiment 1. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with experiment 2, okay? In experiment 2, while you wait the 15 minutes, for the light to break down water, okay, you're gonna take out the battery, okay? This battery is very important to have in this little pouch because it keeps it moist. So if you keep it outside for long, it's not longer gonna work, okay? So it has two circles, the red and the black, and 2 openings. So in the bottom opening, we're gonna take a hose that has a blue little thing attached, okay? This is going to be the purging valve. So you're gonna place it on the bottom, okay? All right, then you're gonna place this battery, okay, in the base. Okay, so the next step is to collect the electrodes. So we want a pair of electrodes from the battery to the base and another pair from the base to the lid. Okay, so from the base to the battery, okay, red with red, and from the battery to the base, which is the same thing, okay, to the base. Alrighty, so here you go, and then you go and place the others, but now from the space to the lid. Okay, this is almost ready. So now what is going to be the fuel for this battery is going to be the hydrogen we got from experiment 1. So we're going to take this close to our experiment 1, okay, and here, okay, we've been producing some hydrogen, okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to close this clip. If you don't close it, this is not going to work, so you must close it, okay. Once it's closed, now you may turn off the light, okay, and you're going to remove the hose that has the clip closed and place it in the opening on the top, like that, okay. Now you're ready. All right, what you have to do then is, once it's connected, okay, and there are no leaks, you're gonna open up the clip, okay. Once hydrogen is flowing in here, you may use the valve to purge it, okay, so that's alrighty. So this is our third experiment, which is going to be the wind turbine with the LED module. Okay, so for here, you make sure the cables are connected correctly, red with red, black with black. Okay, you're gonna place it in front of the fan, okay, right in front, and you're gonna turn the fan on. Okay, you may move these if you see that they are not actually working very well. Okay, adjust them to the best so that you can produce some energy in the process. Okay, that would be it.